Hi guys, welcome back to the show. We've got an exciting trip planned. We are going on a little California spring tour. Early spring, I would say, before it gets too hot. March to early April. Just after the rains, things get really green and beautiful. So
we're gonna get some, wildflowers, some greens, good weather.
Green rolling hills, hopefully.
Maybe hit the beach a little bit.
It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice, and we're gonna take you guys along for the journey. This is very exciting because today's video is actually sponsored by AeroPress. We've been using the AeroPress in our vans for many years, and it has allowed us to brew some amazing cups of coffee in epic locations. But this is the new AeroPress Go Plus, and it has absolutely everything you need to make an amazing cup of coffee. As much as I would love to have an espresso machine in this van, we just don't have the space for like a whole machine. But the AeroPress makes a really nice espresso style coffee. It's super durable and easy to store in the van. We can just toss it in a drawer or in a backpack for when we go camping. It's BPA free and has a double wall insulation to keep our morning cups nice and hot.
I've used it on a few occasions actually flying, where I know where I'm staying they don't have something to brew with, so I just bring this and all you need is hot water and coffee grounds and good to go.
So if you're looking to upgrade your morning coffee routine, whether you're at home or on the go, this is going to be the perfect solution for you. We've got a really awesome offer for you guys. If you visit aeropress.com/court, that's AEROPRESS.com/court, and use the promo code COURT to save 20% off your order. That is aeropress.com/court, and be sure to use code COURT at checkout to save 20%. Always got to stop at Hidden Kitchen for some breakfast or lunch. This is the blue corn waffles. They're gluten-free and organic. We got a sweet and savory one. Looks pretty good. Not for buddies. Guys, look at this. So this is our first campground on our little California Green Hills tour, and it turned out to be pretty cool, as you can see. Tomorrow morning we're going to do an awesome hike, and this is great. Morning.
Morning.
We're up bright and early. We're going for a hike. Wanted to make it up for sunrise, but I don't think it's gonna happen. Up early enough to get the coffee going, of course. Well, I have to eat a little breakfast, because I am still on my eating before caffeine thing.
What are we talking here? Triple dessert.
I do love my iced coffee, but when it's this early, like before sunrise, it's gotta be hot. We haven't even woken our buddy up yet. Look, why didn't you say good morning? Okay, I have to get ready now.
All right.
Hey, cows. our first hike of our little trip here. Beautiful day, green rolling hills. Just what we were looking for. We're hoping to see some wildflowers up here. Saw some cows. It's off to a good start so far. This place is pretty cool. You got flowers, you got green pastures, you got cows. What more do you need, really? I feel like Fueni would have liked this one. Maybe we should have brought her. We're at the Marshall store. They've got really good oysters. They got this really good smoked fish plate, and they also have really good fish tacos. Cool view as well. The views on the way over here did not disappoint. Everything is so green and saw lots of flowers, so things are looking up for our trip here. Alright, we're out for a little hike. It's a beautiful day. It can get pretty foggy in this area.
It was foggy this morning at camp, and then it started to turn off, and now it's just real nice.
Glorious. Dogs aren't allowed on this trail, so it's really a pretty quick little walk, but the views are pretty cool. Yeah, tons of wildlife too. Deer, cows, ticks. Whoa, I guess that's not wildlife, but Nate had a tick on him last night and he about lost it.
Oh, it's crawling in here. Not good.
I had to come to the rescue and get it. Whoa. Check out how cool this is. You can see the water on both sides. You got the seals down there. Kind of remind me of one.
So we're at the top of a mountain.
We got to our campsite. Well, sort of. We just went up a very, very massive mountain. Very windy, very cool, very green.
Very green.
Very many flowers. So we booked a campground. We booked it last night. I mean, this place is so cool. I'll just say that. I said, 20-foot camper van camping. And then we got the extra car, obviously. We get here and the spot is like on a hill. And there's not really a parking spot. It's meant for tent camping, but
Apparently.
I put in that information that it was van camping. This is the first time this has actually ever happened. Like, the campground's set up for tent camping, but they allow you to van camp, which a lot of times if it's tent camping only, like, you're not allowed to camp in your car or van. But yeah, the spot was like really on a hill. So there's like this overlook right next to our spot and it's perfectly flat. So we're gonna park here and
break the rules.
we might get our first knock.
Yeah. What are you doing with that carrot?
I'm gonna eat it.
You can't be playing with this carrot the whole video. It looks.
Hey, buddy. You look like a red guy. Look at this place, guys. You could see so much from up here. This is the spot. It was totally fine, actually, where we parked last night. Somebody did come by, but they just saw that we had a pass and they didn't even ask us anything, so it was perfect. It's like really, really nice. I kind of wish that we were tent camping. Look at this view over here. Nice. Oh, cutie.
We're gonna go for a little ride here.
We got some driving today, but we wanted to let our buddy kind of run around.
Yeah, and we're driving through Pismo, so we're gonna go to the dunes here and see what we can find. It's Friday, looks a little busy, but
we're not gonna go on the dunes because we don't have our whip and flag.
That's true.
But we're just gonna go on the beach.
The beach, right. Wow, it's magical. This is one of our favorite little overnight stops. It's a great little spot. As long as you keep it clean.
Don't dump your pee jug right on the ground outside your...
Yeah.
He's funny.
Huh?
I would bring you out here, but then you'll claw me up. You don't want to come out here.
Yeah, she wants to get lost in the bushes. Somebody spilled something over here. See that?
Oh yeah. Also, don't dump your gray water in the parking lot.
Don't do anything bad.
Self-contained only.
This isn't a dump yard. Buddy. Right.
Look, Winnie. Can I see the outside?
Oh, she's leaving.
Just got some showers in, closed up for the night, and we're gonna have taco night, of course. Nate has to do the dishes.
Just a couple quick ones.
No problem. What should we watch? I'm dead tired, I gotta say.
Court is so tired. So we're just gonna do some easy tacos. Taco seasoning.
Ooh, we got the ancestral blend tonight. This should give me some energy. It's got the ground beef and liver.
Beef liver, beef heart.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Cow.
We only have 3 tortillas, I guess, so what can you do? Nate's just gonna eat chips, I guess.
Well, I'll have one.
Well, you'll have 1 tortilla, yeah. Normally we do 2 each, sometimes even 3 each, but... Oh, Juani. Juani's getting the bugs. I don't know what I'm doing.
Don't pretend like you're doing anything. I did this.
Yeah, it's pretty funny because when I do like what I eat in a day videos on Instagram or my Sunday resets where I'm cleaning, everyone's like, oh, what does he even do? And it's pretty funny because like he does everything except for when I'm filming those videos. Because when I'm filming the videos, I want it in a specific way. So I'm like, it's better if you just go somewhere else while I'm doing it. But yeah, Nate does most of the cooking and cleaning in the van. Just to put that out there. It's a give and take, you know?
I'm actually excited to get to work on a little project that we have. And, you know, get back to some more vans. And...
He does consults too. Oh, and he edits these YouTube videos. I forgot to mention that. That is big.
I'm actually the editor. And you may have noticed they've gotten real good, some of these videos.
No. Here's what we got. Tacos. Looking good. We got Buddy over here. Say goodnight, Bud. And we, of course, got Fueni over here. Say goodnight, Fueni. Okay.
Alright, sounds good.
Alright, guys. Thanks again.
Thanks for watching.
So much for watching our show.
Yeah.
And another big thank you to AeroPress for sponsoring today's video.
Thanks, AeroPress. We'll see you for the next adventure. Care about you guys. Take care of yourselves.